Hello, my name is Adik Manudin bin Muhammad Zuki, method number S56825, one of the K groups 8 scientific writing. So we're gonna explain about our scientific research about the effect of salinity tolerance on early stages of freshwater fishes. So the first slide, we can see the title and our member. The second slide, the first thing is the background of study. So the background of study is how saline water can affect juvenile freshwater fishes. The second is the problem statement. So we have 4 problem statement, that is early stages, growth, performance, survival rate, and behavior. That later can be explained one of our members. We go to the next slide, is the significance of study. So we gonna acknowledge on the best salinity level of stages of freshwater fishes. So our objective of the study is to analyze the effects of water salinity on the embryonic and larval development. So that is for me. Thank you.
Okay, for the literature review, I will explain about salinity. Okay, first one about salinity is the optimal salinity range highly dependent on species as well as on the life stage of the fish. Okay, next, knowledge of performance of early freshwater fry at different salinities would likely benefit the aquaculture industry since they are important commercially throughout Southeast Asia and India, with aquaculture production for human consumption increasing. For the next is the objective of present study was to analyze the effect of water salinity on the embryonic and larval development. Okay, salinity of the culture environment is an important abiotic factor that influence marine fish eggs and larva physiology and has a direct effect on their development, growth, and survival. The salinity of water increases, so does the risk of body deform actions and development. Abnormalities in synhel embryos and larvae. Combined temperature and salinity variations significantly affected snakehead growth and feed utilization rates. Okay, for the next about salinity is temperature, salinity, and their interactions have clear effects on growth, performance, and physiological parameters in catfish. After that, ill behavior like majority also affected by salinity. This study demonstrates shifts in salinity preference during eel development in saline water from the glass eel stage in winter to the yellow eel stage in fall, and suggests that this shift in preference is responsible for the occurrence of estuary residents. Okay, for the last about salinity is salinity will be measured using salinometer for the early stage growth, survival rates, and it will be measured.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hashimah binti Nawari, S54641. So, for methodology, first one, research material at Schemago, Journal and Country Rank. And we use only keyword that relate to our title, like freshwater fish, salt tolerance, and early stage. So second, we selection method and material. We get data collection based on many type of species of freshwater fish. At review article, original article, research article, and only recent article 5 year ago year was considered. So the third, we collection data according to species use recent method outcome, and information about the study was chosen. So based on different salinity consideration by using salinometer. So the last one is result. Hatching rate and growth must be calculated by using formula given in research article. And the data analysis by using one-way ANOVA. So we get there is a difference in the development of freshwater fish growth in the early stage of each species with different salinity. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so this is the flowchart of our group. First, we use the freshwater fish species in early stages. Then we need to culture in a different salinity because we have to observe the growth and the survival rate of the early stages. Then we have to analyze the data by using one-way ANOVA. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, for the expected result, actually the final result depend on the fish species, which means that different species may have different results. This is because some of the fish species may have high salinity tolerance while some fish are not. For example, through the experiments that have been carried out for Oreochromis eurylepis fry, which had showed no significant difference in survival rate at different salinity concentration, which is at 0.1, 5, 10, and 15 gram per liter. This situation showed that these fish have genes that are responsible for conserving energy when the salinity concentration changes over a short time as part of the adaptation phase to the saline adaptation. Meanwhile, for other fish that has low salinity tolerance, they can't manage or conserve their energy in the salinity environment. Thus, it makes them can't survive toward the salinity conditions. Okay, for the expected result.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Al-Faris bin Muhammad Johari, matrix number S54993, and I'm doing a reference task. Okay, well, as we can see, this is our reference that we have got. We gather all of the reference here. As you can see, this is our reference also. Okay, and this is our reference. About 20 reference. Alright, so I'm going to Gantt chart where, okay, on 2020, on December, we make a confirmation of lecturer and research title to our beloved lecturer, and that day we choose a topic. We choose a topic that we want to do a report, or we want to do this assignment. And then after that, on 2020, also on December, we also make a proposal preparation, which mean we conduct we gather all of the information that we must have, all the information like from Google search, from the website. We use Shimago to find our related topic. And then on 2021, we conduct a proposal presentation, which means all of our members will have a presentation on their own part. And then on 2021, on January, we also make a proposal presentation, and then we submit this proposal to our beloved lecturer. Thank you. That's all for me.